Hi, good morning, lovely people. The name is Michael Vinmakconsult, and I'm your usual business coach. This morning, I want us to look at support base or support system and asking for help. But if today is your first time on my channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification button for more. At the end of the video, if you also like it, click the like button and share for others to enjoy. Now to the topic for today. Support system simply means group of friends or family or your network that you can reach out in times of challenges or difficulties for help. So you need to be intentional about that. You need to build a kind of support system for yourself. And I keep saying that, especially in Ghana and Africa, if you don't have a support base as a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or a small business manager, it's going to be really difficult for you, because the banks will not give you money. So your first point of call when you need finance is your family and friend support system. And another example of support is, for example, you need an accountant. You don't need to employ a full accountant. All you need to do is to get somebody with accounting background in your cycle and let that person come and check your book for you from time to time. Then you have an arrangement to compensate him or her. For all you know, the person may not even take any money from you. The person is happy doing it, and the person can put that on his or her CV as a job experience. So that's an example. And as entrepreneurs, most times we find it difficult to ask for help. Sometimes you just need a little push to be there. So learn to ask for help when you really need it. I'm not saying that every little thing you need to be running to your parents, running to your siblings, running to your friends. Find creative ways of solving problems, but there are times you need somebody to support you. So learn to ask for help. And you can also ask for help when you are also reaching out to others when in their time of need. With that, you are creating a relationship. So in 2023, let's learn to build a support system. Let's learn to use help from others to do business. And I'm sure when you do that, we'll all grow to the stage we want to grow to, and you achieve your goals at the end of the year. Please hit the subscribe button and share for others to enjoy. Thank you.